Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we've got something that's going to blow your mind or make you laugh until you cry. Ever wondered what would happen if you could voice activate a typewriter? Well, we did it, and the results are, let's just say, hilariously catastrophic. So, we were sitting around, brainstorming video ideas. And someone said, hey, what if we could voice activate a typewriter? And we thought, why not? How hard could it be? We got our hands on an old typewriter, some microphones, and a very confused software engineer. After some tinkering, we managed to rig it up. Let's see how it goes. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's test this bad boy out. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, not exactly what we were going for. So, we encountered a few minor glitches, like it started typing recipes for brownies when we said hello. After some more tinkering, we thought we had it. Let's try again. Voice-activated typewriter, are you there? Voice-activated refrigerator, are you there? Close enough. Well, that was a roller coaster. Maybe voice-activated typewriters aren't the future, but they sure are funny. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more hilarious tech experiments.